So, Dolo, you talk about digital transformation in the age of AI. Can you give an example where this is particularly important?
Yeah, absolutely. What's the point of transformation or AI if it doesn't have an impact? One of the places where we're seeing a huge potential for really getting on a digital transformation journey, and of course, that might mean looking at AI and how that can help, is in the world of manufacturing. So, I've spent quite a lot of time speaking with quite a lot of different manufacturers of different sizes, regionally and actually internationally. And what's clear is that in manufacturing, um, typically we have a real need for high volume production because it's fairly low margin. And so you have to produce the volume at the quality and at the timescales that you've promised to your customers. So that being the challenge, or that being the need, the challenge is unplanned downtime. And what we know from various research and reports is that for some major manufacturers, the actual loss due to unplanned downtime can be as much as $2 or even $3 million per hour. I mean, I've read another article where maybe it's including all upstream and downstream losses, but it's 1.5 trillion, not billion, but $1 trillion estimated to be lost due to unplanned downtime globally. Now, that is a intolerable figure. And if we can make a small impact on that, it can have a huge benefit for many, many businesses. So, how can we impact that? Well, imagine your critical machinery, which is manufacturing your product. If you could monitor that and with AI understand the signals and the characteristics to see whether there are anomalies that you can then intercept before a downtime event happens, that would save you, as I said, quite a lot of money potentially. But it's not just about money as well. Of course, there's a direct loss, but you also let down a customer. And fundamentally for me, and it's not just about manufacturing, we make promises to our customers. We want to keep them each and every time because when you let a customer down, they may go somewhere else and they may never come back. So that's another benefit to addressing the disruption that's caused by unplanned downtime. And the advanced technologies that are coming into play that allow you to do this kind of thing are technologies like edge computing. And on edge computing, you can run specialized AI. We work with both edge computing providers and edge AI providers that allow us to, in real time, understand whether a piece of machinery might be faulty or might be becoming faulty. And then what we can do is act on that automatically through the new technology of agentic AI. So taking a signal, detecting an anomaly, and figuring out what's the right next thing to do, all automatically, and essentially being that co-pilot for the manufacturing operator. That's the art of the possible. I'm not saying that we all have to get there in one jump. In fact, quite a lot of our manufacturing conversations have been around simple digitalization, just to be able to have data that is processed automatically, whether it's AI or not. So for me, I think this is a huge area of opportunity. And so whether you're a manufacturer just about to start on digital transformation or one that's looking to nudge the next level of AI use, I'm sure that we can help you. So I hope that gives a little bit of an idea of one of the areas that digital transformation in the age of AI can help with.